Essay on a funny time in my family. 146 words. It was 4 years ago. My little brother had just turned 1 year old. He was playing with me and our pet dog Kittu. We were having a lot of fun. Our elder sister entered the room. She wanted me to help her in the kitchen. I told her I had to watch over our little brother. She was about to leave when we noticed that our brother was trying to imitate Kittu. He was crawling side by side and even trying to lick his feet. Then suddenly Kittu barked and we thought it scared the little boy. But to our amusement, he tried to make a barking sound. Both my sister and I burst into laughter. It was the cutest thing ever. We called everyone and made them watch his activities. He was so happy to get the attention and continued trying to become Kittu. So thank you for watching this video. For written English essay, please visit our website, link given in description. Thank you.